Maintaining a septic tank is crucial for the efficient functioning and longevity of the system. However, there are several common myths surrounding septic tank maintenance that need to be debunked. In this video, we will address and clarify some of the most prevalent misconceptions about septic tank care. One of the most dangerous myths about septic tank maintenance is that you don't need to pump your tank regularly. This misconception can lead to serious problems, such as blockages, overflows, and even system failure. We will explain why regular pumping is essential for preventing these issues. Another common myth is that septic tank additives can eliminate the need for pumping. While these additives may have some benefits in terms of aiding bacterial activity, they cannot replace the physical removal of solids through pumping. We will discuss the limitations of additives and emphasize the importance of pumping. Many people believe that flushing chemicals down the drain is harmless for septic tanks. However, this misconception can disrupt the balance of bacteria in the tank and harm the overall system. We will explain why it is crucial to avoid flushing chemicals and highlight alternative, septic-safe cleaning methods. A common myth is that septic tanks last forever without the need for replacement. In reality, septic tanks have a finite lifespan and eventually require replacement or major repairs. We will discuss the factors that affect the lifespan of a septic tank and provide tips on how to prolong its durability. By debunking these common myths about septic tank maintenance, we hope to provide you with accurate information and ensure the proper care of your septic system. Remember, regular pumping, avoidance of chemicals, and understanding the limitations of additives are all essential for maintaining a healthy and functional septic tank.